Hey, what's up and welcome to this video. So in today's video we will talk about your first post, what you have to take care of, what you have to think about before you do your first post, and maybe you even did your first post, maybe you already started your Instagram account. Make sure to also watch this video until the end because you will for sure get some more knowledge, details, and maybe some things that you can adjust from this video, okay? So yeah, when it comes to your first post, there's a few things that you always want to make sure to do. What you want to make sure to do is, first of all, ask yourself, does the post follow the red line that I have? Second thing that you have to ask yourself, does that post fit into the AVR formula? Do I grab attention, or do I bring value, or do I build relatability? If the post does that, then it's okay. Okay, you can even do two things in one post. You can grab attention and bring value. You can grab attention, build relatability, and bring value. How do you do that? For example, in the post, if you, for example, post a Lamborghini that you are driving, right? That's you grab attention by that, but you also in some sort bring value to people by posting that photo because it inspires people, it motivates people, right? And it entertains them. And then in the caption, for example, you can write a long caption, which you should always do, or not always, but most of the time do, because people will then spend more time on your post, and that's what Instagram wants. Instagram wants people to spend as much time as possible on the platform, so that's like one of the things that you also have to take care of, like that you get people to spend as much time as possible on your post, so that Instagram ranks the post higher and gives you more reach, right? But what you can do in the caption is you can tell a story and build relatability, okay? So you can trigger all three points of the AVR formula with just one post, okay? Then the next thing that you want to make sure is that the picture is 10 out of 10 or like 9 out of 10 content, okay? Ask yourself, is that post that I want to post right now something that's better than the average post on Instagram, okay? Is it really 10 out of 10 content, or is there anything else that I can do better? Then the next thing you should care about is that you always use hashtags. Use like 3, 5, 6 relevant hashtags. You know, we talked about it in one of the growth strategies. Use 3, 5, 6, 7 very, very relevant hashtags that are related to the photo and the elements, very important, that are in the photo, and make sure that you use also like a list of hashtags that attract the right audience that you want to attract in the comments, right? And then the only thing that you really have to take care of is that you post at the right time. So don't post like in the middle of the night when no one is online. Like right now, it doesn't really matter that much anymore when you post, because like it used to be like this. What used to be is that Instagram took a look, okay, the first 60 or 90 minutes of posting, how much engagement does the post get? Okay, how many likes does it get, how many comments, and how many shares, how many likes, and blah, 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 okay, all this stuff. They took a look at the metrics and looked on how much engagement that post got, and then depending on how much engagement that post got in the first hour after posting, they ranked it higher or lower and gave the post lots of reach, just a little bit of reach, or no reach, right? But right now what Instagram does is, and there's like a little change to it, Instagram takes a look at, okay, how much time do the users spend on that post? And if you post in the middle of the night, but still people still spend lots of time on the post, then it doesn't really matter, because Instagram will then also show your post to lots of people, right? Like hours later. So the best thing that you can do is combine the right timing, okay? Just go into your Instagram analytics, like turn your Instagram profile into a business profile, and you can then take a look at the analytics. You can see when most of your users are online. What you want to do is just post at the right time when most users are online, or like an hour before that, and then also make sure that people spend lots of time on your Instagram posts, okay? When you do that, then trust me, your Instagram account, your Instagram post will get lots of reach, and you will reach the people that you want to reach. You will get followers, and that you can then turn into friends and into money, okay? Yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I will then see you guys in the next module that's called brand building.